And we are live here in Zilker, and this is that Zilker House. Yes, 1820 Spillman, a fantastic 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with a 1-car garage and an electronic car charging station here. Come on in, let's check it out. As you enter in, I love the different choices of textures and colors here. This house was featured in Tribeza in 2014. Right after the major renovation was done. And I love the little details like that snakeskin wall that's right here. Transition to this super cool texture right here. Okay, we're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a full bath over here. Master suite upstairs, and there's another master suite downstairs as well. Let's check it out. Bathroom number 1. Bedroom number 1. Very nice. I love the different colors in this house. They really did a fantastic job of doing the finish outs here. Okay, washer dryers right behind this, plus a closet for coats. All right, this house was, there we go. I love this finish out. Access to the garage is right over there. Really unique features here in this home. Even these little leather holders right there. They're very classy. Lots of built-ins like the storage area here. The pantry. We have a wine cooler. Look at that outdoor entertainment area. It almost pulls you out there. I've been to many good grills here and great parties. For those who don't know where we are, Zilker, if I went 4 blocks that way, I'm hitting Zilker Park. If I went 8 blocks that way, I'm going to hit the Alamo Draft House. I love the tall ceilings. And look at this little light pattern up there. Okay, master suite is downstairs. Let's go check out the exterior area first. The outdoor entertainment area is right here. Beautiful deck, low maintenance, zero-scaped yard. Direct access from the master. Built-in grill. And here, master suite, first floor master suite, direct access. It's the master suite again. Very nice. Okay, we have automatic lights in here. As you walk in, there's my light. Lots of built-ins, even a safe. This is a nice house. Very walkable neighborhood too. Schools are very nice as well. Okay, let's go upstairs. There's actually a secret storage area right behind here. Thank you for the stager. As we continue on here, gonna give you a down look. This is the other master suite with the Romeo and Juliet. And then our shower area right here. This is a nice house.